If you work a demanding 40-hour week, you don't have the time or energy to learn how to code from scratch after you clock out. The internet is flooded with lists promising easy money through AI, but most of those low-effort tactics fail because they lack substance. If anyone can generate a generic blog post, the market value of that post is zero. This quadrant maps traditional barriers to entry. High-income side hustles historically required immense free time or elite technical expertise. AI collapses this technical barrier. You no longer need to write software, shifting the defining metric entirely to your domain expertise. Sustainable leverage comes from productizing the specific systems, knowledge, and tasks you already perform at your day job. We are going to evaluate 5 specific models that require low time investment and map them directly to your current career background. The bottleneck is no longer learning how to build a product. The challenge is matching the right AI model to the professional leverage you already hold. Path 1 is the app cloner, designed for non-technical optimizers who can spot a proven software concept and improve it by 1%. The mechanics are simple. You identify apps that are already making money and feed that context into the AI. By describing what you want in plain English, the AI writes the actual code for you. You skip coding entirely, allowing a single person to ship dozens of applications in months. But app building is a volume game. Most apps generate zero revenue, requiring you to continuously produce until one catches on. Path 2 is productizing repetition. This is for educators, managers, and coaches who are tired of answering the exact same questions over and over offline. You document the 10 most tedious, frequently asked questions you get at work. The AI then structures those answers into clear video scripts or digital lesson plans. The friction here is distribution. You have to build a personal brand and get comfortable on camera, and building that audience is a notoriously slow process. Both paths prove AI mass produces assets. You must choose your pain, endure a high product failure rate, or a long audience building phase. Path 3 is guiding major decisions. This is for industry veterans who have successfully navigated complex, high-stakes career or life choices. Row 3 of our matrix shows the mechanics. You supply the scar tissue, the reality of buying a car or picking a mortgage, and the AI formats your experience into premium guides. Since the market is small, you cannot rely on ad revenue. You must comfortably close high-ticket consulting calls. Path 4 is building B2B automation agents. This is perfect for corporate or administrative workers who are intimately familiar with inefficient office tasks. You isolate one specific annoying task, like sorting inbound emails, and have the AI write a micro-automation to do that job instantly. You package that automated solution and sell it to businesses as a monthly subscription. But this is entirely a sales hustle. You must actively cold pitch clients and prove the financial return, requiring high interpersonal effort. Whether you are selling premium advice or micro-automations, these models require you to shift your energy from building the product into aggressive client acquisition. The final model is system translation, ideal for complex fields like healthcare, IT, or finance. You take the intimidating, gate-kept jargon of your industry and use the AI to translate it into highly digestible survival guides for outsiders. Exposing how your industry's internal systems actually work can ruffle feathers. You have to carefully navigate NDAs and manage relationships with your peers. These 5 models prove the same concept. AI is an engine. Its effectiveness is tied directly to the career leverage you feed into it. To get your professional experience into a digital product, you have to extract that knowledge precisely. If you tell an AI to invent a business, it defaults to the same generic data everyone else has access to. Forcing the AI to interview you for context first ensures the final output is built on your actual career leverage. This decision tree maps your next step. Strong at process optimization, you belong in app cloner or B2B automation. Holding industry secrets, your path is system translation or guiding decisions. Strong teaching skills, your best fit is productizing repetition. Regardless of the path you choose, you face one universal constraint. AI only solves the creation of the product. It does not solve traffic, it does not build an audience for you, and it will not close a sale on a consulting call. Your primary job is no longer being the developer or the writer. To make this work, you have to become the marketer who can successfully distribute that product to